What we're given to understand is that the law panel has received overwhelming response. Remember, they invited public opinion. Now, according to sources, 28 lakh responses have been received on UCC so far, but 4 more days to go. 4 more days remain for people to send in their views, suggestions.
So the deadline is July 14th, and the law panel is going to hold public debates, seminars and conferences on UCC. So far, 28 lakh responses have been received as per sources. And what the law panel has to say is that there has been an overwhelming response as far as the UCC is concerned.
Very interesting development there. Remember, okay, Harish is joining us with more details. Harish, the parliamentary panel meet just happened. Now, the opposition time and again is bringing in the issue of Law Commission's view in 2018, calling it unnecessary. Now, the Law Commission invited people's opinion. There are 4 more days to go. What we're given to understand is that 28 lakh people have responded so far.
Yes, good morning, Swati. That is right. This is what Law Commission sources have said. Remember, on June 14th, noting that it's a very important and significant issue for the country, the law panel headed by Justice Rituraj Avasthi had initiated this consultation deliberation process calling for and suggestions from stakeholders, individuals and prominent religious organizations as far as implementing the Uniform Civil Code is concerned. And till date, in fact, till Friday evening, according to sources, a whopping 28 lakh suggestions have come in, and the Law Commission sources, highly placed sources, have said it's an overwhelming response. And after the July 14 deadline, all these responses will be compiled and a report prepared, and also the Law Commission very significantly said it will be holding public debates, seminars and conferences after sharing these views with the stakeholders, and that's going to be very interesting, and which also meant that it will be a time-taking process. Remember, even as sources in the government had hinted at tabling a bill on UCC in monsoon session of Parliament, which is to commence from July 20. Law Commission sources said the report will not be ready before it. Sources in the Law Commission said it's involved in a time-taking process, and it is going to be an elaborate exercise, and all stakeholders will be contacted, communicated, and the views taken minutely before a complete report is submitted to the government. In fact, as I rightly said, even the Parliamentary Committee on Law and Justice
these are the details that we are tracking in on the broadcast as per sources, wherein a huge response has been received by the panel over the UCC. Thank you, Harish, for joining in and sharing all those quick updates.